Here is how to set a password on a Google Drive file or folder. So first, you need to go ahead, open a Google Drive, then tap on New in the top left corner of your screen, and then select Google Forms. In the untitled form, type a title like password encrypted or locked with password. And in the untitled question field, enter password or what is the password. Change the question type from multiple choice to short answer. From the left-hand side of the menu, turn on the required button, and then click on the three dot next to required and select response validation. Change the validation type to text. Enter your desired password in this text. In the custom error text field, write wrong password. Go to the settings tab, which is beside responses. Go to presentation. Select the drop-down menu over here and click on edit next to confirmation message. Write thank you for your response or similar. Copy the link of your Google Drive folder. Tap on share, then tap on copy link. Go to the confirmation message and paste the Google Drive link over here. Now tap on share in the top right corner of your screen and then enter the email address to whom you want to share this and then tap on share. Now click on the preview icon in the top right corner of your screen, which is the eye icon. If you enter a wrong password in this field, it will instantly say wrong password. And if you enter the correct password over here and tap on submit, this will instantly take you to the Google form where you can go ahead and access the Google Drive that has been shared. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.